Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down what success looks like, sales, leads, or traffic, and assigning a specific KPI and timeline. Once done, confirm your Google Ads account billing is active and link Google Analytics. This ensures you measure outcomes. Next, implement conversion tracking and tag key pages so you see which ads drive value. Now choose the campaign type, search for intent, display for awareness, shopping for product listings, or video for storytelling. Then move to audience and keyword selection with that goal in mind. You now build a disciplined account structure. Campaigns by objective and 2 to 5 tightly themed ad groups each, so relevance stays high. Then choose keywords using a blend of exact and phrase match for control and add negatives to block wasted spend. Once keywords are set, craft responsive search ads and include pinned headlines when necessary. Also layer audiences, remarketing first, then in market and similar, to improve bid signals. Make sure to set bid adjustments and experiment with automated bidding strategies once baseline data accumulates. You finish by turning data into decisions. Review CTR, conversion rate, CPA, and search impression share regularly and reallocate budget toward top performers. Once enough data exists, /B test creative and landing pages on a 2 to 4 week cadence. Pause low performers and scale winners. If results stall, check automated bidding signals, budget caps, and landing page load times. Troubleshooting tip. If conversions drop sharply, verify conversion tag integrity and URL changes first. Broken tracking is a common, quick fix that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.